Hello everyone, it's Gigi and I have an entry from Brandi. So let me open this up. I cut the top and we're gonna see which channel this is. Hold on a second, let me get it out. Okay. Oh wow. Okay, I'll do that separate. Okay, she has this one sealed, so let's open this one. That's so cute. So this is happy birthday. Oh, she cut me out some stuff. That was sweet of you. Okay, hold on, let me read it real quick. Oh, I remember. Yes, I just watched your video and told you about my giveaway. She just says, Gigi, hope you have a wonderful birthday. Looks like you have several wonderful entries. Thank you for letting me know about this challenge. I haven't been on YouTube too much over the past month or so, but I'm hoping to start back up again. Enjoy and have a wonderful birthday, Brandi. Her channel is Crafty Reasons, guys, and you should definitely go follow her. Here's her channel. So you should definitely go follow her. I love her channel. Her and her daughter are so sweet. And so she cut me out some stuff, which is so nice of her. I love these little postage looking stamps. These are cute. Can I put those over there? And I love the butterfly. That's so cute. Thank you, hun. And then she said, here's an extra card, which is so sweet of her also. Let me open it. She put it in a sleeve. That was super nice of you, hun. Oh, look how pretty. And she left it blank for me. Oh, thank you. Okay, and then she sent a few of her favorite YouTubers. She did a list. Oh, a long list. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hold it up to the screen and let y'all look, and if you're interested, you can put it on pause, or I can read it real quick too. Let me just do that. Sugar Ray Crafts, Crafting and Relaxing, Gina Loves to Craft, K. Warner Design, The Delightful Crafter, Craft Purge, Vagabond Crafter, Creative Chico Halls, Country Girl First Crafts, Scrap Diva 29, Kathy's Favorite Things, Crafty Bean, Ty's Creates, Gigi's Cool Creations, Janet K, It's a Deal, Trina's Place, Crafty Little Sam, VSJ Crafts, Double Click Connect, Craft Some Joy, Mostly Paper Crafts, Tim Holtz, Maramy Small Art, Missy Whidden, Kelly O'Block, Stacy Flynn, Trina's Place. I watch a ton of YouTube, so here's a few I love watching. I hope they inspire you too. Thank you, hon. That was so sweet. And there are a few for you guys too. All right, thanks for watching, you guys. Love y'all. Bye.